you lucky also?
We are ready.
Okay.
Yes, we are. No money, nothing.
Yeah, I will. Yeah.
First, if I should roll, let me know. She's seated.
Oh, yeah, roll.
I'm rolling. Alright.
Okay, so how you doing today? Good afternoon. Welcome to Goldmyne Studios. You tell us, you introduce yourself. This is the part where you say your name, what you do, what other things you do that people don't know that you do, especially the life outside social media.
Wow. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Abike Jagaban. My stage name, my real name is Tululakwe Olowogaba, the true daughter of Jagaban. Anyway, I'm live here in Nigeria to see my friends, to chat you guys up, and to also celebrate K1's birthday. I am a blogger. I operate mostly on Facebook and other social media apps like Instagram, Twitter, and whatnot. I am a business person aside that. I also get myself engaged in MC job. Yeah, I love to do master of ceremonies. Some people call me a comedian. I'm not sure if I'm one. Well, I am a very private person, extremely shy. If I have to face the crowd, yes, that's one of my bad habits I don't want you guys to know about. Anyway, that's all about me. I have a mother of 2 children. I'm not single. Right? What else do you want to know? Tell me.
Okay, so tell us, life abroad, what's it been like? Where you stay, you know, the weather, the condition, compared to Nigeria?
Okay, life abroad has always been so amazing with me. I love it there, but if you ask me, where would you be more comfortable, or where that's bad abroad. It's been good. We had by the rules and regulations. That's it.
Okay, so
My eyes there.
yes, so I see you here. Okay, so tell us how you then came into limelight. You know, of course, through a lot of, I'm sure, through social media. But then there are things that you must have done, you know, that you say will have shot you into limelight. Can you please tell us?
Okay. I came to well, I call it a rift. Yes, let me say a rift that I had with one of my friends then. It was more like a playing thing. It wasn't anything that serious because I've gotten my own share of the blow, and then I decided to punch back, and I didn't know how hard I've been punching. But then anyway, that was what introduced me to social media. That was what brought me into the limelight. I wasn't expecting to be where I am today because it was never any intentions of mine to become a social media, you know, personality. But then it is what it is today. And since then, I have taken up a lot of projects that's got to do with social media. I've been, you know, campaigning for no cyberbullying. I have also been doing a lot of motivational speaking. You know, we do motivational talk, we inspire people. I also created an avenue, a platform where people, you know, can gain information about their immigration status. I link them with the community service. I try to widen people's knowledge within their society on, you know, over what they should know. you know, the do's and don'ts of that country. You know, we have so many people in there that actually have right to so many things abroad, but they don't know because they are not ready to tap into it due to one fear or the other, or probably threats from friends and associates. So we are just there to enlighten people. It is more like an eye-opening era for everybody, where I have encouraged a lot of people the group. When they are kicking you, they are kicking me. When they are your friends, they are my friends. When they take you as an enemy, then they are my enemy. So that's what my program is all about.
Okay, so tell us a bit about this rift, this problem that got you guys really buzzing on social media, and then people say, why you insult yourself this much? Won't you even just give us more space or even look at a small grey?
Hey, goldmyne, you have come. Which one be rift? Which one is, why wouldn't we give one another space?
Well, what happened now? Why you guys go so vulgar? That's even actually, I think would you say that's even why you got so much fans?
Oh boy, me, I won't lie. The vulgar thing is part of my own show. We like to go vulgar. When you are on Abike Jagaban show, when there's no vulgarism in the team, then we are not having a chat. But you see, when you want to get the CEO high, somebody just needs to inject me a tiny bit with your vulgarism, and then I'll pick it from there. And then you see our fans, our audience, they start blowing up. I don't think anybody wants to get themselves engaged in any boring chat. These days, it's a small world. We all have to create avenues, where to catch fun, where to unwind, where to relieve ourselves of stress. So my chat was more of comedy thing, where we excite, we bond, we do business. Yes, that's it.
Okay, so at the end of the day, K1 played a very significant role,
Yes,
settling your rape. Tell us about that experience that day when he called you both.
Okay. Everybody calls him K1, I call him my daddy. Yes, my dad played a very significant role because he's far older than I am. And there's a Yoruba adage that says, tọmọ kékeré bá ń gégi nínú igbó, they will say àwọn àgbàlagbà tó wà ńbẹ̀ ló mọ ibi tó máa ré sí. I was just doing my own thing, and then I was so blessed and privileged, to have these wonderful people around me who has got better foresight, than me. They knew where he was going to handle us, that he may probably not lead us anywhere else apart from maybe some land of destruction, because at some stage some wicked people are actually now taking these things personal, because they probably have one or two personal things with their prey. that is involved in this fight. So it's no more of Abike Jagaban or Mama Isabot fight anymore. It's people that have a personal vendetta with the other person that now use our own platform to fight their enemies. But then they pretended to be probably my own fan or Mama's fan. But then my dad saw all this, K1 saw all this. So he called me back at some point saying, Abike, I don't think this is worth it anymore. I would like you to please drop your guard and do something more productive. That you've got all the potential it takes. You can make waves in the industry. You can actually do better than this. You can move nations if you're determined to do so. Why don't you tap into the positive energy rather than you getting yourself engaged in this fight every now and then? So my papa was talking and I was not listening. I will not lie, because I was enjoying the fight. It was sweet though. I don't know how many people watch it, but it was so sweet that when you wake me up from my sleep saying, Mama about the teacher, I'll say, hey, oh, what did she say? As she was giving me the information, I'm dressing up to come and attack her. Immediately, my defense, is heavily ready. So by the time she says one thing, I'm like, I'm out again to face the woman because the thing was sweetening me. And by the time I deliver my own pakam, the mama too is out in the night. So you see, that's the game. When I give her two pakam, she's out for me. So I was wondering, where did this old woman get this kind of energy? And she too was wondering where I got my vibes from. I said, okay, let's continue to roll. I have got so many, youngsters, young minds in my team, and they're all radicals. They're radical comrades. I'm like, as radical as their boss. How we were radical. The radical elites, the radical literates. When you're talking of comrade people that have warriors ready to fight anytime, any day, and they can easily switch, back to their, that how do I call it? That plush, personality again. So they should know how to switch back, because most of the people I've got on my team are actually very well literate people. When I say very well, I mean we've got a bunch of professionals, in the team. So this is how K1 came in. It wasn't something he could actually control anymore at some point. So I was looking for another way. Not that I wasn't listening to him, but because I was determined, I was seriously determined to put an end to the ongoing cyberbullying thing, on social media. And as at the time I was starting the movement, it was so rampant, it was everywhere. Even the Nollywood actresses, they were suffering it. It's been drastically reduced, if you ask me. Yes, we have actually touched, a lot of people. We've made a change. We have left so many legacies and principles behind. Our impact was hugely felt on social media because we weren't quiet about it. Yes, we went on fighting it, and this was the only reason why I was adamant to my dad's warning, because I told him, Dad, please allow me. I am a full adult. Allow me to do what I have to do. And when I get the expected result, I'm going to drop my guard. So I kept fighting on until it was time to drop the guard. So I guess we did it at the right time. That spoke to me. He mediated peace because as a peace ambassador, he spoke to the other women too. He also took several bullets because of me. But alhamdulillah, we are where we are today. Thank God.
Sorry.
Yeah.
This snow that is entering this audio. So,
You sleeping?
so the snow, I'm noticing it in the audio. Yeah. Small.
She's tired.
She's tired.
Yeah. Like 4 through 5.
Okay, so now would you say, yes, it's been sorted, we saw everything, all the pageantry and cameras and lights and all that, but now would you say, this is a direct question to you, that this rift is totally sorted, solved, no more fight?
Hey, boy, are you asking me directly?
Yes.
Look at your face in the camera. This is for me. Yes, it has totally ended, like seriously. Do you know that we have actually, we've actually attempted this before, a few months back. Yes, a few months back, I think, no, sorry, not a few months back, about 1 year ago, we attempted this to put an end to the rift. But probably because there were still some areas that were left unsorted, untouched, that we needed, to sort out then. So we went back to the fight. Some people weren't pleased with the peace pact. So they ignited it again. And then we carried on with our armor and shield and gun and grenade, everything. We went to war again. So if you ask me, when it is not the right time for a soldier to drop his gun and his weapons, then he shouldn't. But this very one that we have established, you can ask the people around us, they will tell us that, they will tell you that it is real. Because we've never ever proposed any peace pact that has lasted for 2 months before. And this is 4 or 5 months. And if you ask me personally, I'm never tired. I can never be tired. But then I have learned so many other ways to fight rather than coming out to shout or to rant or to rob back at anybody. So, and the same thing is with Mama. No, the people will not come looking for our trouble, because the 2 major heads that were involved in it have actually sorted this, and I'm telling you, it's for real and it's permanent. And if there's anybody that's going to look for our trouble again, it's not going to be myself to Mama or Mama to me. It's sorted, and it's sorted for real. It's only between 2 major people, and that's myself and Mama is about, and that's the end. Any other thing you hear, those ones are probably just looking for fame, a way to climb up, but it's not going to be through my own platform.
That's great to hear. But just a bit of curious mind, thank God the fight is sorted and you've confirmed that it is sorted. So we're hoping that there will be no fight anymore. But then, out of my own curiosity, you guys have been taking your fight on social media. If for peradventure both of you had met physically, who do you think will have won?
It's me, before uncle. Are you asking? Am I in my late 50s? I'm just in my early 40s. Are you asking me? Can't you see how tall and energetic I look? I would not even venture to go and do that with Mama, because I know the implications of it. But now when it comes to one-on-one physical, oh boy, I'll be correct daughter of Ijebuland, Lagos girl, born and bred in Ebute Meta. You want to try me? Oh, come on. I'm not going to say anything about that, because Mama too is tall and hefty. It would have been nice if we staged something on a ring. Bang, bang. But I won't be able to punch Mama. She's too beautiful for me to punch, seriously. I just hope and pray it doesn't come to that, but that's it anyway. We are both winners. No loser, no winners. Yes.
Okay, so now that the fight is over, what's next for you? I mean, what should we look out for? The fight is over, which has been the buzz, what everybody sees you guys for. Now that the fight is over, what should we expect from you?
Well, as you all know that I do a lot of other projects on social media. Well, if you trace my profile, you will see that Abike Jagaban is not just a motivational speaker. Abike Jagaban is an humanitarian who caters for the less privileged, and the indigent, of Nigeria. I have been engaged in so many projects where I have helped a lot of indigent and the less privileged ones, both home and abroad. You see, so that is to tell you that my strength is not limited to fighting or to this Facebook thing. I might decide not to come out on Facebook for the next 1 year, and I'll still be proactive in every other thing that I do. I do MC job, I cover a lot of events, I do Ashwabi. That is some things I do on the side that people don't know. Even as we speak, I came to do one, Ashwabi, Ashwabobo, that is event planning, for someone in UK. And, my charity is really moving, from strength to strength. So we've been doing that, and then I do business on the other side. I'm a businesswoman, I have a lot of things going on for me. I am taking up endorsement as well. I've been ambassador for so many products. You know, we do skin products, we do hair products, and also for some herbal, you know, medicine. So I do so many other things outside that. Thank you.
Alright, so your final words to your fans, tell them something sweet. I'm sure some people will be tired, they'll be sad that no more fights, they won't hear the vulgarism anymore.
No, the vulgarism is still there. You see, one thing that is very nice in our show is that we do shading. Shading is part of that show. I enjoy shading, nice shading. When I have to shade, I shade. It is part of me. You see, you really see a street girl when they are talking, even when you put them at the very top, you still see traces of that street girl. When you're street-wise, when you have the exposure, there are ways you will run your thing, you will organize your thing, that you can inculcate fun. It's not all about speaking grammar. No, I love to do slangs, you know. And I also sing. I enjoy singing. So when I come out there, I will mime this one, Davido. I will do my daddy's one. I will do all this local, Yusuf Olatunji, and whatnot, you know. So I sing. I enjoy singing. I enjoy to entertain them. And I am going to leave my friends on this note. Whatever it is that you guys get yourself engaged in, just make sure it is something that gingers your swag. Make sure it is something that you enjoy doing. When something don't tickle my fancy, I don't bother, you know, venturing it. Whatever it is that you do in life, make sure you do it to the best of your ability, regardless of the opera. You know, it's been so challenging for me. And if you ask me, if anyone should tell me 3 years ago or even 2 years ago that I'm going to be here today, I'll say no, because I don't think I could do it. When my friends say, oh, Tolu, do you know you speak very well? We didn't know that you can speak this much. You know, you have a lot of fans. My friend watched your video. They've been sending their messages that they should encourage me. I'm like, no messages. So you want me to be talking? They say yes. I say, me, I don't want to be talking. I don't think I can do it. I only did that one to encourage people and to tell them the reason why I found myself in that situation. Not a continuous thing, but to God be the glory. We are where we are today. So whatever it is that you do in life, do not relent. Don't get tired. Don't look at the opera. Don't look at the challenges that's going to come with it. Whatever it is you're going in life, you will tend to see all these stumbling blocks. They are just distraction. It's not going to stop you. It ain't going to, you know, hinder your success. Just keep moving and make yourself a moving train. Keep putting, you know, in your input, you know, struggle hard. You're going to make it. Be the best. Don't look at what people say, you know. For every success in life, you know, distractions are always staged alongside it. So be who you want to be determined, be focused, and be the best in it. Thank you so much, my friends, for being a part of my show, my platform. And I would like to say a very big thank you to all Aye Nation and Ewe Nation. We are one. Thank you so much for loving us, myself and Yala Shabi. You guys have been really amazing. And it's been so much fun working with all of you. I have come to bond with a lot of you, you know, over the time. There are so many fake profilers that are amazing, real warriors in the house. I enjoy you guys all the time. Now I am getting relaxed, enjoying you guys' entertainment. I've gone on Facebook today and I've seen a lot of status that makes me laugh. So you guys are doing really great. I've been able to bring out, you know, so many people from their quiet shell. And it's been wonderful. Thank you guys. And to Goldmyne Television, thank you for having me. God bless you.
Amen. God.
Right.
Thank you very much.
More
Please
than
get an appeal for man.
No.
How many you have?
You.
But this one is.
Oh. Thank you guys.
Okay.
Nice, and that one is a fish.
Yeah. I have many more to do. I'm tired. Look at my face. I haven't had a sound sleep. Thank you, everyone. God bless you. Thank you. Join Deborah, thank you. Mommy Master, thank you. Yaya Gypsy, everybody. Thank you, everyone. Vina Maya Jesu, Basagani, okay, Baba. Aspila, my husband. Alan Gilbert, Olomoto Gallant. All of you. Thank you. Tim Baba, see you admin, so then sabi you. Okay, thank you guys for having me. So we're live in Goldmyne television, and I've just been interviewed. I've been specially invited for this interview. So thank you, everyone. God bless you. Oh, we were also on Instagram. Hey, Insta fam. Thank you guys for having me. God bless you. I miss you all. We're going to be coming back with a lot of interesting, program, a lot of educative shows here and there. So don't worry. And our charity program is also, on the top notch for you guys. Don't worry. We have just sponsored 7 people, 5 to university, and the other 3 for masters abroad. You see, Abike Jagaban is going places. On Saturday, you guys are going to be interviewed, and then you're going to go down to Igbinedo to pick your form. And to those ones that are coming abroad, you have to wait till your program begins abroad in UK, so we can start to process your visa. God bless you. And this is real. We're going to be publishing it as well. Even Goldmyne is going to be covering it. Thank you so much, guys, for allowing me to showcase the best side of me. Thank you. You've all been my strength. I love you all so much. Thank you.
Sit down. One thing that I want.
I'm sitting down again.
Just sit.
Oh, you see, this way. You must pay me 1 million naira before I come up for here today. He's asking me to sit down again. One more thing again. You want me to sing? I hope you know. What are you doing with the mic? Okay, come and hold the mic for me.
No, you're holding the mic. There's just one very small thing.
So what are you gonna do to me? Tini, what's it gonna do?
So don't worry, just
I don't know.
get your view on something.
Okay. They say I'm not going yet. I should sit down again. Let me see what Goldmyne is up to. Maybe they want to give me a currency. I don't know. They asked me to sit back on this sofa. Anyway, thank you, everyone. Thank you. Oh boy, I'm sweating. Oh, is it raining?
Yes, it is.
Oh, wow. And that's so put to him. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Hey, red face, and I come again. Ew, it's why we're more. You got on the mama went at penny, yes, I'm a well, let you marry me, meet you one big red face. Or something is missing. Don't worry, we have that corrected after the show. Yeah, we'll correct it. Tini, what did you write on the show? The headline for this chart. Yeah, they say something is missing. Oh, okay, don't worry, we'll correct it afterwards. We'll edit it. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless you. Okay, you gotta hold that one.
No, you're not singing, don't worry. It's just a view.
Okay.
An opinion on the current.
The current waiting. Tell me.
The current. Rolling. Okay, so now there's this particular trend. Reason why I'm asking this question is basically because of the way you are looking right now. But there's this current trend with actresses where they now want to show their boobs at every outing, every event. I want to get your own opinion. What's your take on it?
Where they want to show their boobs.
Now they want to show their boobs.
What do you mean by they want to show their boobs? You mean they are wearing provocative clothes, or they're walking naked?
Provocative clothes.
Provocative clothes. Well, if you ask for my own sincere view and opinion, well, me, I love to look sexy myself. I love looking sexy. It's my hobby. It's part of me. Have you not been going through my own Instagram and my page? Well, I won't say I am not much of a person that exposes, that love to expose myself. But then, when it depends on where I'm going, you know, if I have to go to a dinner, I love to look sexy. I love to, no, I wouldn't say provocative. You see, provocative is in the high of who is defining me. I might not see it as something provocative. I may just be putting on something I believe is a little bit loose, you know, will allow me a bit of hair. I'm looking sexy, but I'm not calling it provocative. But the high looking at me, you as a man that is seeing it, you may feel, well, she's looking so provocative. If I see someone coming now and I see she's half naked and I think, ah, this is really provocative, I can say that. But the lady putting it on might not see it as anything provocative, but just sexy. So they are two different words. So whatever it is that makes you feel comfortable, I will give my sincere advice. You put it on, but with a little bit of modesty. I always tell people, well, do things with modesty. It's okay to look sexy. It is okay to look nice. It is not until you walk naked that you're going to look sexy. But whatever it is, you do it with, you know, with some measures of modesty. You know, be decent as a lady. I don't like going out in nude, but then imagine someone that has got very heavy boobs, big breasts. Let me just put it that way. If you have big breasts, there are some clothes you will not go and venture like Abike Jagaban, because if you venture it, it will make you look half naked. And when you are half naked, some men will say, oh, you need to see what she's putting on. Like me now, if I wear some kind of blouses, it will puff out some of my boobs. And I do like it at times. You know, I love the effect. I won't lie to you. So, I don't see anything bad in looking sexy but provocative. Maybe it's not accepted by you men, but whatever it is that makes you feel comfortable, put it on with, you know, some measures of modesty. My sincere advice. Right?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's it.
Thank you guys for having me. Hey JT, thank you. I love you all. Yo, they didn't let me sing.
Oh yeah, sing for us now.
Dance. Okay, you didn't give me this thing you want me to sing. I'm a singer in the Abike ti wa yato. Abike te mi yato. Oh, aye oni te mi láéláé. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń bú mi, ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ má bú mi lọ. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń fẹ́ mi ò mọ́ ní, ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ fẹ́ mi sí. Ṣé wọ́n ráwọn tó ń bú mi? Àwọn tó wá láti ìdílé ẹgbẹ́ yìí wọ́n ní kí n máa wẹ̀yìn níran. Wọ́n ní ẹni ayé ẹ̀ bá ti bàjẹ́ lọ́rẹ́ yín tẹ̀wẹ́ ní kúnra. Ẹ̀mí àbí kí o sì nù yín o. Anyway, one love, I love you all so much. Oh, but I love this place, ayo.
You like our studio?
Don't mind my naughtiness. Oh boy, I have so many places to go today. Thank you so much, everyone. So it's been so much fun with Goldmyne TV, you know, the one and only Goldmyne TV. Oh boy, waiting cost red face for my oh, Sprilo Bobo, I miss you. You see, I'm doing you proud here in Nigeria. Your baby is doing you proud. I'm going to LTV now. And later, maybe tomorrow, I have an interview with a newspaper. I just pray to God to give me the energy to do the remaining two. I'm tired, I won't lie. Yes. No more photo shoot today. Nobody come and give me any endorsement. Yo. I'm tired, knackered. I don't want to do any endorsement again. I was live on Instagram. Yeah. Yo, we are live on Instagram, Insta family. Thank you, my Insta fam. God bless you. Nice having you guys on live with me. Don't worry, I'll be coming up with a lot of interesting, you know, chat soon. Educative, marital issues, health-wise, immigration issue, and also cyberbullying. Take no shit from nobody. When they roar at you, you roar louder back at them. That's what the bully needs. Anyway, I love you. Thank you, AJ Crew, our admin. We have our crew here in Nigeria. None other than this wonderful man. He's been the brain behind the scene. Our technical. All right, show your face at last. He's shy. He's so shy. He's been the one moving the technical aspect of AJ platform. All our platform. He's been working with us for years. He's a wonderful guy. He's my brother. And he's almost a year away from Ibadan. I love you. You've been the best. Well done, bro. Okay. Guys, you see, he's sexy. He needs a girlfriend and a wife. I don't know what you may look at Kaya, Google, Kaya, Moy, Kaya, Payino. I hear you need that. Many Kaya more show red face, you already shot me more Kaya, yeah, Nikurate, you know, better show red face soon. You go to my map, you're not even moving me for got him son. Goodbye, we say. So this girl has come with Awada. Thank you, ladies, for having us. Can we check our leave now? Go, Shojo no. Eyo. When I come again?
No, not you.
What are we gonna do? I'm coming back. Okay. They say my wala is too much. I'm not coming back. Abike Jagaban. We're still live here. Tini, as feel like I should not kiss you. Say no kissing. As feel only stand and cool dude to beat you. Everyone, you're a threat to him.
What's up?
Say hello to Spilo.
Hello.
Spilo, take care. Easy when we to show that face. Only you don't tell that face. Spilo can be away, Sherry. Only stop the kiss. Thank you, Olinka Macklin Dyro. Thank you. I just want to red face. Only you just relax because I want to need about you. Emma, watch it. Check my watch. Go so the chat. Abike Jagaban. Aspila, why are you being mean to my brother here? The guy is being warm, saying hello, Aspila. He has known you for long now. Mama, what mean you? Don't mind them. Oh my God, it's raining heavily. What am I gonna do? I can't tolerate anything. And if I get there, I won't get wet, you know?
I know.
That's the amazing part. Let me try. Alright, you take care. Oh my God. Oh, guys, I'm tired. And this my microblading is painful. Can you see how beautiful it is? Microblading. Olówó ló mọ̀ ń ṣe kò ṣe kò fáwọn akúṣẹ̀ àbí fáwọn ọmọ ọ̀ràn kíran tí wọ́n lẹ́bí lára. Microblading ló wà expensive gan ni. Ẹni tí ó lè náwó kó má sún mọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Torí náwó làwa ń jẹ. Abike ó jẹ pounds, ó jẹ euro, ó jẹ dollar, ó tún ka náírà nílé ẹni bá rí kó bẹ́ẹ̀ rí. Ká yẹ red face. Àbí tó bá jẹ́ tàsílà wà bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan ni ká yẹ gbogbo ẹ̀yin rẹ̀ fèsì ẹ̀ ní kúre wọ́n gbé yín sí ni láìpẹ́ yìí tọmọtọmọ tìrantìran yín ni ká yẹ dádì yín ká yẹ mọ́mí yín ká kúlù fún yín. Ló kàn mí èmi bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ́ wá ni mo invite yín ni mo máa ń fún yín poison tó máa jẹ́ kójú yín red ẹ ti live fever kọ́ yẹ yellow fever. Mo ti fún yín dóòtì tó máa ń jẹ́ kẹ́ pọ́n lójú. Your red face. Ẹ wo mi kẹ́ máa fi ń ẹ̀yin ń pọ́n lójú ẹ̀rí èmi àbí kẹ́ ń rẹ́rìn kí ló kàn mí. Mi ní blọ́ọ̀kì gbogbo yín tán bá ṣe tán. Admin don't block there. Ìbànújẹ́ ni tiyín mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wá. Ẹ rí. Ẹ bá ti rí fọ́tò mi kẹ́ṣà mi. Ẹ bá bọ̀ mi kẹ́ṣà mi. Aspila kọ o àwọn haters lele èmi náà ranjú mọ́ yín haters ẹ mọ́ block wọn àdúrí ni ọ́ ń tàn ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ tí yín ẹ̀yin red faces ọmọ òjò ń rọ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Can you see it's raining? So spilo jẹ́ ń gbé wọn ṣépè tí wò bá ti sí ńbẹ̀ ká yẹ red face ká kúlù fún mọ́dà yín àti fádà yín ká ya wọn tó bí yín dádà lọ́rùn àbí láyé. Wos ẹ wo bí mo lọ ní next interview ẹ máa tó rà Abike pẹ̀lú vice president interview on load kò tí yà ní ìsàn VP yín ní Nàìjíríà mo níṣẹ́ ńlá pẹ̀lú wọn ẹ máa tó rí gbọ́ ẹ má jẹ́ loud ẹ̀ mi ìfẹ́ loud yẹ mi ìsọ àwọn senator àti minister yín mo ní VP yín vice president yín bàbá yẹn bàbá òun dádì Ọ̀ṣínbàjò very soon ẹ mọ tó yẹ ẹ̀wọ̀n ẹ kémi ẹ pariwo àbí kò pariwo ǹjẹ́ mo sọ fún yín pé mo lọ interview ẹ kàn máa rí ni wẹ́rẹ́ empty barrel ló máa ń ràn ẹnu ẹ̀ ló máa ń make noise I don't olówó kì í pariwo dédédéke ọlá yìí ní gẹ́ngẹ́ olú ọmọ mi olú ọmọ tó gallant ẹjọ́ anybody máa send the help kìíní kan health issue sí mi ò mọ̀ ń rí àwọn highlights you have been warning you I'm not taking up any health issue project anymore. I'm not helping anybody with health issue for now. I'm sorry, don't bother calling me. I can see some people sending me WhatsApp so it's a sheer waste of time. Don't bother yourself. It ain't gonna happen on this platform for now. Ẹrẹ́ṣin mo ń ṣí lọ yáyé ń gbé lọ wá gàn káwọn ọmọ mi ṣáná sọ́kọ̀ kí n máa gbé lọ. Mo ń dúró ní kójò dá pam á ṣe kí ni àtọ́bò lọ ni ó ti dé LTV. Wọn kì í fọwọ́ bo ògo òṣùpá mọ́lẹ̀ kò sẹ́ni tó fọwọ́ bo ògo ìràwọ̀. Ògo Abike ò ṣe fọwọ́ bọ ẹ waste time wọn. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ ẹ̀yin ọ̀tá ayé mi ẹ kú àmúmọ́ra mo mọ̀ pé kò easy láti digest kò easy. Ẹ má worry over the time ẹ má wà used to it. Ẹ̀yin lẹ̀ níbí lọ ẹ gbọ́ mi bí ẹ gbọ́ bá ṣe fi rán mi ni ọ̀nà Abike wọ yóò sì máa gun òkè àgbà. Wọ́n ní ìṣe rẹ yóò sì máa ṣojú àwọn ọ̀tá ayé rẹ wọ́n sì máa sọkún. Wọ́n sún ẹkún ìyá ni wọ́n sún wọ́n ní wọ́n sọ pé ó ní mọ́mì wọ́n sún débì kan wọ́n sì máa bẹ̀bẹ̀ fún sniper pé kí ló dé wọ́n ní àwọ̀tàpù gan lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ Abike yìí náà ẹ mọyì nǹkan tó ti sọnù lọ́wọ́ àwọn ni wọ́n ní wọ́n bójú ẹ̀yìn ewúrẹ́ lé wọn á dínkù àgùntàn lé wọn á dínkù àwọn fúnra wọn yóò sì dínkù wọ́n sọ pé mọ́mì kí ló dé wọ́n ní what happen gangan sẹ́ ṣé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ Abike yìí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìyá náà ìyá Abike náà lẹ́yìn ọ̀tá náà sì máa jọ́ ìpè mí mọ́mì èjè ẹ máa kúnlẹ̀ padà ní ilẹ̀ ńlẹ̀ láyé yín níwájú èmi Abike ẹ ṣáàmù àwọn á sọ pé mo ti kọrin fún yín pé mo sọ fún mi ọ̀tá mi dẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn mi dẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn mi dẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn mi dẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn mi aláròkálẹ̀ o dẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn mi o dẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn mi ogun amọ́niṣẹ́ ní dẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn mi o. A máa fún yín wọ́n ní pé ṣé àwọn kí mo sọ fún yín kẹ́ tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní dínkù this one no be play kò ṣeré ní Moscow ká my hair irú yìí náà ní nǹkan luscious and beautiful ọ̀tọ̀ ní ká rárun gidi gbogbo èèyàn tó bá gbowó lọ́wọ́ yín tí yóò kórun fẹ́ẹ̀kì fún yín òfò ló máa fowó yẹn ṣe gbogbo ẹni gbowó lọ́wọ́ mi tó kórun fẹ́ẹ̀kì fún mi owó ẹkún ló máa fi rà ẹkún ni yóò fi pa ẹ bá rírun gidi ẹ mọ̀ pé rírun gidi Abike Jagaban. Thank you, Sally Noland. I wish you the same. God bless you. Don't mind me, I'm just kidding about now. Wàá gbá yọmọ mi Abike ògo àgbáyé mi ò ń ṣògo Ìjẹ̀bú nìkan Abike ògo àgbáyé mi ń ṣògo Nàìjíríà nìkan ògo àgbáyé. Next level ẹ lọ kọ́lẹ̀ wà láìta láì mo fọlọ́run búra fẹ́yìn ọ̀rọ̀ ni ó next kíní tẹ́ máa gbọ́ bàbá bombshell Abike pẹ̀lú Oprah Winfrey wo mo búrẹ̀ fún yín Abike pẹ̀lú Oprah ìyá àwọn Yankee pẹ̀lú ìyá àwọn London ìyá àwọn Naija ẹ gbàgbé bóyá ṣe Abike pẹ̀lú Oprah ó máa lẹ́tì kẹ́ àwọn ní kábọ̀gà àtúwọ̀ dongris ìjọ yẹn casualty àfọ́bàjẹ́ létí òkun wọn á lọ máa fi ambulance kó yín ní létí títí ọmọ mi àrí tírélà nú ẹ̀yìn ọ̀tá mi ẹ bẹ́ sẹ́nu ẹ̀ will be so unbearable for you pé we can't believe it ànọ́ta ayé mi ayé àbàjẹ́ ibi tó ti ń ṣọ́ mi èmi yóò sì máa gun òkè ògo àti òkè àgbà a máa ṣoríire móríire ayé ọ̀tá mi á sì máa bàjẹ́ lọ torí kò ní ṣíwọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò lè fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan bọ̀ àmọ́ ọ̀nà àbá mi fi ẹsẹ̀ àtàpẹ́ àti ọkùn ẹ̀ á dé mọ́lẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ mi tó kókó ní gbélé ayé ṣeun rere mọ́ ju pé kókò máa ṣọ́ Àbíkẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àtẹ̀sẹ̀ ẹ̀rí ó ń pè ní ká ayé ẹ̀yà yín lọ́rùn àti bàbá yín bíkíbi tó bá wà ẹ̀ tún fi rẹ́ẹ̀dì ẹ̀ tún pọ́njú ṣáàmì ó pámánẹ́ǹtì sí láìfù yín ẹ̀yin ọ̀tá ayé mi èmi ò bá yàn ṣọ̀tá o èmi ò fẹ́ ní kankan jà àbí kò fẹ́ ní kan bínú Tolúlọpẹ́ ń jayé ẹ̀ lọ mẹ́lọ èmi ń lọ bó lẹ́ ń lọ ẹ̀bẹ̀ wọnú ẹ̀bẹ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n àtàbúrò òun dà mo fẹ́ lọ ẹ ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ mú mọ́ àwọn ọmọ mi gbádùn àdúrà ní kẹ́ máa bá ń ṣe fáwọn ọ̀tá pé Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kí ẹ ní rọ́jà tà ẹ ní rójútùú ilé ayé yín ẹ ní rójútùú ọmọ yín ẹ ní rójútùú owó nǹkan tẹ́ bá dáwọ́lé ọ̀rọ̀ Àbíkẹ́ nìkan náà gbélé yín lọ́wọ́ ẹ sìn lọ́jọ́ ọkú yín tí gbogbo orí ayé yín á fi gbọ̀n dànù tọ́tà ṣàn lọ́mọ yín lọ́wọ́ Àbíkẹ́ dẹ̀ máa gòkè àgbà ẹ̀yin ní kámẹ́rà jígí ó yẹ pé mi ò lè fọ yín àmọ́ mo fẹ́ wéṣì táìmù yín mo fẹ́ engage táìmù yín lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ayé mi kémi dẹ̀ máa gòkè àgbà ẹ̀yin máa jí pé pé iná ní kẹ́ máa ṣọ́yàn kò stop mi ò kò dìtà mi ò bọ̀ síbi tó bá yẹ kẹ́ ti lọ́wọ́ ọbẹ̀ tẹ́ gbélé ná ọbẹ̀ yẹn á jóná lórí ọmọ oògùn yẹn á bàjẹ́ lórí ọmọ gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ dáwọ́lé á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pẹ̀dín nítorí pé ẹ̀ ń ṣàbíkẹ́ ẹ̀ rírú iṣẹ́ tán fún yín ẹ̀yin wèrè protocol officer lórí oríire mi ẹ mọ̀ tẹ̀lé mi kiri nígbà tẹ́mi ń gòkè àgbà ayé yín á sì polúkúmuṣu ẹ gbàgbé àwọn ọ̀tá ayé mi mò ń rán wọn jẹ ni ẹ mọ̀ ṣọ́ mi kiri o ẹ̀yin lẹ tì mí débi tí mo wà yìí arọ ti rọ ọmọ àṣẹ wà àwọn náà tì mí débi tí wà yìí láì sáwọn báwo ni ìbá ṣe débi lẹ́nu ẹ polongo mi sí o ariwo òǹkọjọ́ òkìkí òǹkọṣì bí ṣe máa ń sọ fún yín ẹ polongo mi sí mi ò tí ì débi tí fẹ́ dé gangan mo nídìí ariwo díẹ̀ sí òkìkí tí mo ní ò tí ì tó òkìkí tí mo ní kò má tí ì tó owó tí mo ní kò má tí ì tó ẹ bá mi pa alábòsí ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ pa alárùkà o pé kán polongo mi díẹ̀ sí kí n lè débi tí mo fẹ́ lọ sẹ́ o kí n lè dé ilé ìlérí ayọ̀ mi ẹ jọ ẹ polongo mi sí o ìyá yín ti wà látìmọ́lé Àbíkẹ́ dẹ̀ ń ṣeré lọ gírí ń tiẹ̀ kò ṣeré lọ bí lásọ̀dọ̀ àwọn èèyàn gidi ẹ mọ goldmyne gan Nàìjíríà o iléeṣẹ́ ńlá kan gbòógì ẹ̀yin ọmọ mi àwa máṣí lọ nìyẹn o we are marching on a moving train we are àwọn mi rẹ́ẹ̀ni gbogbo àwọn crew mi wọ́n rẹ́ẹ̀ni pé ìyá yìí ó ti fún ọ́nì jù and it's raining in Nigeria anyway. I'm gonna end the show now because I don't want my phone wet. So and I'll see you guys soon again. God bless you. I love you all. Thank you so much for loving us, for being by us, for supporting us. You guys are amazing. May God Almighty take care of you all, preserve you, and may He lead you guys to your success land as well. Promised land, we're going to live there. Ire o, ni èmi ni tí ní tòótọ́, olóòtú, Abike Jagaban, olú ọmọ tó ń sọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́, ẹ̀gbọ́n ọkọ yéwé, ọmọ yéwé kò kàn anybody. Ya yín ká yẹ gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọ̀tá yé wa. Ire o. I will see you guys again soon. God bless you.